Would you like to learn how to play a D chord? Here it is. Think of this chord chart as a map. We're gonna study it so we can follow it. I chose the color blue for D for a blue sky day. And anytime you see this chord in any of my videos or PDFs, it will be blue. So it'll help you to recognize it a little bit faster. Now the dots represent where you're going to place your fingers. I like to start at the bottom or the right-hand side of the chart. Let's play the string first. On the count of 3, let's pluck it. 1, 2, 3. It's this string, which is second to the right, also known as the second string. Now which row is it on? Take a look at the map. Let's count. 1, 2. It's the second row. Now which finger are we going to use? Third finger. That's your ring finger. So let's place the ring finger there. This is what it should sound like if you made it. Now the other 2 fingers on this chord are really easy because they're in the exact same row, just on the next 2 strings up. So it looks like that. This is a D. This is what it sounds like. Is that what yours sounds like? If not, check your tuning on your ukulele. I made a video about that. You are ready for the G chord. If you can do D, you can definitely do a G.